what's going on, Card Trick Tutorials? This is just a fun trick that you can do, whenever. It's not really such an amazing trick to fool your audience. It's just, a fun trick. And someone's like, hey, show me a card trick. You're able to, say, hey, okay, dude, I'll show you a card trick. Perfect. And this is the one. This is the card trick that you want to show just anytime you want to just do it. Alright. So, I'm going to have my spectator cut about a third of the cards, and they're going to take that, and then they are going to just select any one of these cards. In this case, it's going to be the 7 of spades, and they're going to place that on top of their pile, and then place their pile simply on top of mine, and give it a cut, just like that, and I'm going to deal down the cards until I want to stop, and then I'm just going to try to guess where I think the next card, the spectator's card is. Yeah, I'll keep going. And keep going. Yeah, I think the spectator's card is further. Keep going. No. Right there. No. Yeah. No. No, yeah, I want this card. Yeah, I am. Alright, I could have stopped at any card, but this card I chose to stop at, they shuffled, did everything, is the spectator's 7 of spades. Alright, this trick is almost too simple for me to give you a tutorial of, so there's literally only one thing you need to know. All you do is shuffle, get spectator cut, choose a card, place it on top. Remember the bottom card, 4 of clubs, place their card on top, cut, and that will place this card on top of their card, and then just look for your 5 of clubs or your key card, and just keep dealing until you see that key card. And then, yep. Basically, the next card, their card. So easy. This trick is the trick without a tutorial. That's why it's so easy. Okay, fun magic. Go do it now. Impress your friends and be the most interesting person in the room. This is Card Trick Tutorials, and you are out.